afternoon, everyone. This is Bob Iacchino from Path Trading Partners, along with my co-founder, Mike Arnold. It is July 8th. Wanted to just continue along with the cryptocurrency updates and the educational series we're doing on the way we actually chart cryptos. We trade these same patterns that Mike's been showing you in traditional markets, but because of the speculative nature and the lack of institutional hedging that's currently involved in cryptocurrencies, there really is none. Technical patterns and price action patterns work better than they do in traditional markets. So Mike's been updating you on a couple of patterns. If you go back and look at some of our old cryptocurrency educational series updates on our YouTube channel, they're all still up there. You can see the progress of these patterns. Mike's been letting you know what he thought was going to happen based on the pattern. And pretty much every time it's happened, that's not going to be forever. Patterns do go contrary to what their targets are sometimes, but lately, they've just been following really tight. So Mike wanted to give you an update on a Head and Shoulders and Litecoin that he was looking at. So Mike, it's all yours.
Thank you very much, Bob. So continuing our educational series, we're using Litecoin again. We had our Head and Shoulders with the revised targets based off where it closed below the neckline, which is one of our techniques we use for trading path Head and Shoulders patterns. You can see the first major target as revised was down here at 44.74. And again, we weren't necessarily looking to short this. We were looking to especially find buying levels. We came down to that level, then we reversed. Then we got above a path trend line into a clear path move. So the eventual full target for this is back to the 51 to 51.21 area. Also, if you notice, we're returned to down here on the 4 hour. If we do switch over to the daily, so here's the daily, you can see it came down to the bottom area of our rotation zone and also a key Gann rotation zone area just poking below that, which it did a couple times and moved back up. So this was a very strong area to look for a buy on the daily, and now it's moving back up, and you can see here's the target on the daily based off our 4 hour. If we do get above there, we could easily see a full return back to the 55 level, but it has to get above our first target on the 4 hour. Then we may wait for a rotation pullback and trigger another long entry. So that's how we're looking to trade some of these potential short moves from the long side, looking for the key buying areas using our multi-time frame analysis and putting it all together to find high probability trades on Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and any other altcoins. Turning it back over to you, Bob.
Thank you for that, Michael, and thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you like what we're doing. Also, if you've got a free hour and you want some good information, check out the Money Path podcast, which you can find at pathtradingpartners.com or by typing in the Money Path podcast into iTunes or Google Play. Cheers, everyone, and thanks for watching.